Welcome you in English class 8th. Dear students, today I shall teach you chapter number 16 named Packing for the Journey, page number 97. Okay. Now I am telling about this chapter. This extract is from the book Three Men in a Boat. This is a novel. This extract is from the book Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. Three friends decided to go on a holiday in a boat down the river Thames. Montmorency accompanied by the dog. This passage describes how the three friends pack for the journey. Okay, the whole chapter belongs to the packing. Now dear students, I am asking you some questions as a introductory. Do you like going on a trips? What kind of trips do you enjoy most? How do you feel about having to pack for a trip? Have you ever discovered on a trip that you have forgotten to pack a few things you very much need or that you can't find them easily? Does this make you angry or does it make you laugh at yourself? Now read these descriptions of how the author and his friends pack. Okay. Now dear students, first of all you have to know about the characters. There are 4 characters in this story. They are George, Harris and dog, Montmorency and author himself. The narrator volunteered to do the packing because he felt proud of it. He thought that he knew more about packing than any other person. The author impressed upon his friends that he was a better packer than them. They fell into the suggestion. George put on a pipe, spreading himself over the easy chair, and Harris cooked his legs on the chair and lit a cigar. Jerome's real intention was that when he offered to pack, that he should command the job and that Harris and George should do some unimportant things under the directions. Understand? So Harris said after the bag was shut and strapped properly, if he was not going to put the boots in the bag. We think he wanted till then to ask, as he wanted the bag to be shut and strapped after the packing was over. He and George wanted to have over him. So the horrible idea that occurred to Jerome a little later was it had packed his toothbrush. He doesn't know how it is, but he never does now. He was packed his toothbrush. Jerome finally found the toothbrush inside the boot. Because Jerome found that he had packed his tobacco pouch in the bag. George and Harris offered to pack a large hampers for carrying food because They thought that they should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time. Journey took less than 12 hours time. Okay, they also wanted to show Jerome how to do the packing. Okay, now dear students, contribute of the Montmorency in this story. I am telling you, Montmorency contributed a great deal of packing. We know he came and sat down on the things when they wanted to be packed. Montmorency labored under the fixed faith that whenever George or Harris reached out their hand for nothing, it was his cold damp nose they wanted. He placed his leg into the jam and he distributed the teaspoon and he made a lame excuse. You know, a lame excuse is a idiom's false pretended, to do the false pretend. A lame excuse that the lemons were rats. He got into the hamper and killed 3 of them before Harris could bind him with the frying pan. So Montmorency was a dog that did not need a sort of encouragement. It is the natural, original sin that was born it and made him to things like that. So he added enemies to the packing. Okay. So dear students, I have told you the summary para by para to you. I think you have understood properly. Now you have to write the difficult words meaning from this chapter, page number 101. Okay. Goodbye students.